the magic of my recipe for you is that this is something that can be changed around with whatever you have. Because it's all about what spices and seasonings you put into it, right?
Sorry, I was ready for you, and then I came home with my groceries about 45 minutes ago, and then I was chatting to Mike the doorman. And then I said, "What time is it?" And he was like 6 minutes past 6. And I was like, "Oh my God, I gotta go."
This will be the first meal I've cooked in my new home.
Yes. Okay. Ready to start?
I've got cumin, salt. I have to go to Chipotle for the black beans and Chipotle sauce. They didn't have them in
Wait.
Trader Joe's.
No. What did you get? I wanted you to get Chipotle peppers.
Oh God.
Oh,
In a
peppers.
dough. So to make it the deliciousness that I want, I like to have the Chipotle peppers. But if you don't have Chipotle peppers, you can still do this.
Oh God.
Whatever. Okay,
Okay.
so tell me what I should do first.
So it's very simple, okay? And this really comes together very quickly.
An onion.
Onion? And did you get mushrooms?
Yeah. So I have garlic.
And then just roughly chop them on your cutting board.
I found it.
I'm gonna take one portobello mushroom because that's what I have.
You like
With that, you don't need to wash it. Nope, don't do that. Dry that off. You never need to wash an onion off because it's got a skin on it and you're gonna peel that off,
Oh.
right? And now we're gonna saute them for
Okay.
two reasons. One, I want to get rid of moisture in that mushroom, and I also like to get rid of the sharp flavor of the onion, you know, mellow it out a little bit with the cooking.
Oh God.
So you know what? Here's what we're gonna do for you. You're not gonna saute them first, and that's okay. You're not going to. You're just not going to.
I love that plan.
What's gonna happen though is your burgers are gonna have more moisture because the mushrooms have a lot of moisture.
Love the smell of those onions. Okay. I need to. Yeah, I really small. It's like paste. I might have done it too much. I really mushed it up.
Get a colander or a strainer and put it in there and just kind of push some of that liquid out into the sink.
On top like this.
Yes.
Well, there's a lot of moisture coming out of these mushrooms.
That is a liquidy. Maybe you're gonna add a lot of breadcrumbs, I think.
I'm going to use some initiative here. And in order to reduce moisture, I'm going to use a fork instead of a spoon for the black beans.
Over here on my end, I'm gonna also do the normal recipe. So in my little Blitzy machine, I added 3 2 or 3 you can put in of those chipotle peppers. And I'm gonna blitz them and pop them in with the black beans and mushrooms and onions and garlic. Peppers are gonna give it a spicy, smoky flavor that
I wish
sadly,
I had
Quentin,
some
you're not gonna have. Get your stuff in the bowl and then tell me what you have in the bowl, and then I'll tell you what else you need to put in the bowl. Okay, so you have in there onions, mushroom, black bean, garlic.
Right.
Do you have anything else in there yet?
No.
Do you put any cumin in there yet? Let's put some cumin in there. In mine, I'm also putting some cheese. I don't know if you have any shredded cheese, but I'm gonna put in about a half a cup of shredded cheese as well. And you're gonna need some salt too, Quentin. Okay, so let's put the breadcrumbs in. For you, I would say to put in a half a cup to start and stir it around, and let's see how it looks.
It's getting more texture.
Yeah, like look at mine. So I put in a half a cup and I had sauteed mine, and mine looks, see how it can hold a shape? You want it to be able to hold a patty shape, basically. That's what you're going for. Because you don't have a frying pan, right? You only have those tall pots. Do you have a baking sheet or something that you can put in your oven? Okay, thank God. So make your patties, put them on an oil lot, like put some oil. Oh, you don't have any oil. Oh my God, do you have tin foil?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Let's put a little tin foil or parchment paper on your baking sheet and then put the patties on that.
Don't wrap them up. Won't they dry out?
They should not dry out. They're pretty moist. So if you were making it in the pan, Quentin, make it look just like a hamburger. There's mine, see? And I'm gonna put it into the pan, which you don't have. And I'm gonna fry mine. And I like to fry them in just the tiniest bit of oil. But you can still make something and it's gonna be good.
Even without oil.
Even without oil and even without your chipotle peppers.